If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a review on a cleanser that I have been using for probably 4 months now. I post lots of lifestyle content here on my channel, so make sure to go and hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more dedicated reviews and just more lifestyle content. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but without further ado, let's get into my review on this cleanser right here. It's the Bioderma Sensibio Soothing Micellar Cleansing Foam Gel. I chose this because it's good for cleansing your face and removing your makeup. So really, I got this for myself to remove makeup because I like to use 2 cleansers. I like to make sure I remove my makeup and then cleanse my face. So I picked this up at my drugstore. It was $24.90 Canadian. You get 200 milliliters of product in here. You actually get quite a bit of product, and I have used this much, okay, in about 4 months. Like, I've had this for quite a few months now, and I have only been using this to like remove my makeup and clean my face. And I have this much. So I do find for the price of it, you are getting a really good amount because you only need to use a pump if you have just basic makeup. And if you have heavier makeup, you can use 2 pumps. Now you can use this for your face and it's good for your eyes. It has no soap in here. It has no perfume. It has no parabens. When I was looking for a cleanser, I didn't want anything that had dye in it. I didn't want anything fragranced, and I didn't want anything that would like sting my eyes. I wanted something that would be like a cleanser that was more of a gel or a cream and that would help to cleanse and remove my makeup. They mentioned that you're able to use this for morning and night, and you can use it as a cleanser, and it does help with your makeup. So from my personal experience and for what I like to do with this cleanser is I really like to use it at night to help clean my face and remove my makeup, and then I will go in with a second cleanser. So they do mention that this is a mild cleansing gel, and it also has reinforced hydration. So I am not a skincare expert. I don't know much about like specific ingredients, or I'm not like Hiram, okay? I'm not like Jen Loves. Like I don't know everything about skincare, but I wanted to come on and share my thoughts and my views. So prior to purchasing any new skincare products, I like to check the ingredients, and I like to see what is at the top of the ingredient list because that is the highest concentration ingredients. So the first one is water. I can't pronounce it, but it's like right here on the screen. So I decided to Google that and see what was said about the ingredient. So it's a cleansing agent. It's a foam booster, so it comes out as a gel, and when you start to rub it into your skin, it does foam up. So that ingredient probably really does help with the foaming. So the next ingredient was prepindiol. I have such a hard time pronouncing ingredients. I don't know how Hiram does it. They will be on the screen here. So what I found online is it says it's a very common ingredient that you find in many cosmetic products. So this will help to pull moisture into the skin. They do say that this is a hydrating gel. So this ingredient would probably help with pulling moisture into the skin to help hydrate your skin. This also helps to soften the skin and smooth the skin by reducing water loss is also what I read. But the big thing that I think it probably does is probably helps with the hydration of the skin. The next one is actually sodium lauryl saccharinate, which a lot of people get mistaken with sodium lauryl sulfate. So this one here is known to be another foaming agent in the cleanser, so it can help it foam up. They say that a lot of the time you find this in like a cleanser or a shampoo. So those 2 ingredients that we talked about that were for foaming is probably how it gets its really nice foaming texture after you start to rub it into your skin. The last ingredient that I seen that I wanted to check on was the citric acid, and they say that this is an antioxidant, and it says it helps correct the sign of anti-aging. So I was interested that they had that ingredient in here. So overall, I didn't really mind the type of ingredients that were higher up on the list. I found it was more so like the cleansing type of ingredients for foaming, and then I found like the odd hydrating type of ingredient. Again, I am not a skincare expert, but that is personally what I found out of the ingredient list and how I feel about this. Now, for my own personal skin, I have combination skin, and it does lean towards the dry side. This I don't find is hydrating enough. I really don't think so, because if I use this on its own and I don't moisturize my skin, let's say I just use this, my skin is very, very firm and it feels dry. Like, it doesn't just feel nice and firm, it just feels kind of dry, and I really do need to use a moisturizer. So if I use this and a moisturizer, I still find that my skin is almost missing something. So I like to use this as a makeup remover because I go in with this. First, I clean my face, I get all the makeup off, and then I will go in with just like another gentle cleanser afterwards, and I feel like it's the perfect balance and combination, and it works. I find that if you pair this with another cleanser and then you follow up with a moisturizer after, it works so well. What I also want to mention is this has been such a staple to help remove makeup because it removes my face makeup so well and so easy, and I also find it removes my eye makeup very easy. And the thing that I like is I don't have any stinging near the eye area. I find that I don't have much like staining or anything left over, which is good. If I had to rate this from like a 1 to 10 on how much makeup it removes, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, I'd want to say it's like an 8 depending on how much makeup you wear. I feel like this removes my makeup very well, very good, and I really enjoy it. So the reasons why I really enjoy this cleanser and makeup remover is because it has no dyes, it has no added fragrance, and I don't smell anything from the actual product itself, which I like. It comes in a pump. You only need a pump or 2, so you don't need to use much. I like how it cleans your face very well, and I do like how it leaves it feeling firm and clean, but again, I have to pair it with something so that it's not too firm and too dry. But the other thing that I do like is it does help remove my makeup a lot. So if you're looking for like an additional cleanser, like if you have a cleanser you like, but you want something to help maybe remove makeup or really clean your face, I would recommend trying this because I've really enjoyed it and I liked it. I have sensitive and reactive skin and I haven't broken out. I didn't get any redness, it doesn't sting, it doesn't burn, and I just enjoy it. I like it a lot. So if you were looking for a good like first step cleanser, I would highly recommend checking this out. If you were thinking about getting it, I would say to get it. And again, if you're not sure if this is something for you or you don't want to spend the money on it, just wait until there's a sale or you can use your points to get it. But I have really been enjoying this. I found that it has even helped taking off like, I don't want to say like waterproof makeup, but like the stubborn makeup. It's helped it so much. So I've really enjoyed this. Again, I don't think it would be like a one and done cleanser for myself, but to have it incorporated in a skincare routine, it has been good. I use it only once a day. That's enough for me. So let me know in the comments down below your favorite cleanser. I do want to find a second cleanser to start using this year. I think I want to try La Roche-Posay. What is that? I don't know. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this, and I also want to try CeraVe. So there's 2 cleansers there that I'm thinking about trying alongside of this one, and I also want to try the Neutrogena cleansing balm very soon. When it comes to cleansers and when it comes to makeup removers, I feel like creams and gels, a product that I have to like actually apply and rub into my skin, that's more so my style and how I like rather than like a liquid. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below your favorite cleanser and makeup remover, and make sure to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.